So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of B10X and I hope you all are doing really well. So in the last video we learned that how we can integrate ChatGPT with Pega. Today we are going to learn that how we can integrate ChatGPT with UiPath. So let's start the video, but before starting the video I just want you to know that if you are interested about AI tools, you can attend our workshop that is just available for 9 rupees and the more details would be given ahead in the video. And let's continue the video. So there are many models if you see that are available in OpenAI. So out of that, one model is completion model that we are going to use today. So to use that model, we have two steps we have to follow. One is we have to generate the API key from OpenAPI, and then we have to integrate that OpenAPI with UiPath to get the response. So with that, let's move on to the open beta openai.com once, and you will land up over here. I believe that you have to you have to create your account, and once your account has been created, you have to go to the video API. You have to go to the API section. So in the view API section, you can see that there are some details that have been given, and there is a button create new secret key. So as soon as I'll click on this button, and as you can see that this API key has been generated, and I'll copy it and save it. So I'll save it over here in this openair.txt, and let's save this API, and this API has been saved. And now we will create the process to integrate that API key. So for that, what we have to do is we have to use the HTTPS request HTTP request activity. And in this activity, if you are unable to find this activity, what you have to do is you just have to go over the manage packages, and in the manage package you have to go all the packages and search over here, then the API. So you'll get this package and you can download it, and this activity you will get. And let's configure this activity. So the format what we'll be using will make it adjacent, and the type will be the post, and this doesn't require body. We'll have to give okay. So let's go where, and in the documentation section, and go to completion model, and here the documentation has been given about what is the completion model and what it will be the output of the model. So let's copy this endpoint. So the endpoint will give over here is this form of string, all right, and our body will be this much only. So let's go over here and let's search for J object, and let's get the G object what we have to import, one packet namespace which is here, JSON soft Newton JSON link. Okay, so now go here, open body J object dot from the object, all right, new with okay to string, and insert this. We'll pause this what we have copied, and will be okay dot model equals to same will be do with as well key dot prompt key dot next, and key the temperature. All right, let's place the column with equals to, do the same with as well as equals to, try it, and this is done. Okay, in the headers what we have to do is we have to provide the content type as well as the authentication key. So let us say that this type of content will copy it from here and paste it over here in application list JSON answer. The other one will be the authent, and the other one will be the authorization. All right, plus now create a new variable, and this body as well. Let's create a variable for this, and this will be your prompt. So let's copy the API and we'll paste it over here, and the question, let's take a input value title, let's make it as question, and label it given as the same question, and the output will be question only, and it's done. And now let's take a message box, and we have to generate the output as well as variable output. So response content, and let's take it over here and response statue. All right, and also we have to do one more thing. We have to increase the timeout as a server open, or as a open server is a bit busy, so it might take time or it could throw error. And before moving forward now, I just want to have a small talk with you. So you all might know that AI has taken over the world in just a short span of time, and we have seen so many layoffs, millions of people replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will surely. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. And let's continue the video ahead. So let's make this much, and now we are good to go. Let's debug it and see the results. Okay, so let's ask it what's the temperature today, and it has returned, and okay, now it has returned something. Alright, so response will be like this. Okay, so we have to pass the JSON object, and we have to get this text, and this is the text which is our response, and also we have to increase the next token as well to get the maximum number of word. So let's go to the body and let's give it this like 500. So if we'll go through the documentation, you will see like I think 2000 value is you can pass over here in the max token. So I don't remember as of now. You can go through the documentation to get about this, and let's press OK. And also let's pause the JSON object. So assign all right, it's open. Okay. J object pause with power server response content, and from the response content you want the choices. So let's see what it is. And it would be text.to string. All right, let's click on and let's create one variable as a result, and we'll show it over here, and let's continue again. All right, what is the temperature today? And it has given output as the temperature today depends on your location. Please provide your location, and please provide your location for an accurate answer. So let's give the location to it. What's the temperature now in Mumbai? So you can see the value in the current Mumbai is 28 degrees Celsius. So this is how we can get the responses from API, and there are many more models available in OpenAI, which we'll be going to cover in our upcoming videos. So please stay with us, and thank you for watching this video. And that is it for this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any doubts, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe Beat10x. And also do remember that we have an AI tools workshop class that is just available for 9 rupees. Do check that out by clicking the link in the description, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.